Hello everybody, I have here the Huawei Y6 version of 2018 and I want to show you how to remove the SIM card and the microSD card. So first of all, you need next to the phone the pin, and it is part of the box if you put it back like this, and if you did it, open it like this and remove it like that, and then you can remove the pin here. Okay, otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and with the edge of the pin, you enter the small hole in here on the side of the phone, and you enter with the edge of the pin, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. And now you can remove all the SIM cards like this and the microSD card and put it back like this, or enter a new one. Okay. Hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. As you can see, it is very simple. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want, you can leave me maybe a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.